Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. There is anger and mourning in Denham Town, Kingston this evening after a 3-year-old boy was killed. His brother and father were also wounded during the gun attack. The police are now on the hunt for members of the Scream Corner gang in relation to the tragic incident. Shamila Pullen has the details.
Oh God! We can't about this. We can't about this. We can't keep it up.
LaDania Cunningham wears the underwear on her head that belonged to her 3-year-old son, Jay Spinnock. He was shot in an attack on Nelson Street in Denham Town, Kingston, early Saturday morning. The underwear is soaked with blood, pierced by a bullet hole. The incident also left her 8-year-old son and the father of her children hospitalized with gunshot wounds. According to reports, the shooting happened around 1:40 a.m. when a man armed with a gun forced his way into the house and opened fire before fleeing on foot. A relative explained what he saw.
Him have yours so OP, and I said, come sell anybody. I said, so me here, boy. See, Sean, you see. By the time here, boy, you get up and say, police officer, oh, you kill me son for what him do. I saw me and said to him, what you do? And sit there. And I said, go back around there, sir. Captain, no, me not know. You understand? So, me not know. You understand? And he said, pull. And then he call you dip on the bed with him in a lap. In a panic break, yes, sir.
The victims were rushed to the hospital where Jace, who suffered a gunshot wound to his abdomen, tragically succumbed to his injuries. The mother of the children said she was at work when she got the call of the heartbreaking news.
They at work. I'm going to get the call. When I get the call, I run off of my work. When I look at my baby father lie down on the ground around the sun. And end up rushing my baby father, go out to public with him. When I look, I see emergency come. When I look, I see I'm a 3-year-old. They look after, we all me and cry, the nurse said, mother, just take it easy and try. I couldn't manage, me end up come out. When I come out on the outside, when I look at my 8-year-old, I come in a car again.
The community of Denham Town has been shattered, neighbors left in shock, streets haunted by fear, and residents grappling with the senseless loss of a young life.
This past crazy, a wickedness. See, look, baby there? Look, baby. Him fine. Him not have no flesh pan him body for take no gunshot. Little bit of baby. This man, the father for this child, is a shopkeeper. Him no gunman. I'm sure him no gunman. Cause no gunman now West Kingston not have no business. Them not have no business cause them can't read and write. No, you come for kill the father and you see the pit in them and you would even spare the rat and spoil the child.
And why would we? And why we can't go on the good map? We need to unite, not true we not like each other, man. Look out for one another pitney and look out for each other, man. Or we are going to combine as one. We're too hypocritical. We're too bad mind. We're too lie. I set up people. When I see people and people not tell people, so not chat to she, When I for go and eat them. Me eat them. Glad me I move from boy I left them. Because nobody now do this for me, I do with you, you know. Because them are hypocrite.
Shamila Pullen, TVJ News.